Yeah, no, I think that sounds great. No, it's gonna be awesome. We'll make up something real special for you. Very cool. Talk to you soon. Scott Streffler. I'm co-founder and hype man at Mile Wide Beer Company in Louisville, Kentucky. Yeah, we're working on this new beer with our friends at Omega Yeast. So brewed up in a Northeast IPA using one of their kind of crazy Norwegian ale yeasts. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Kyle. Where's Kyle?
No idea. I'm Matt Landon, one of the co-founders here. I keep us paid and legal, keep the guys out of jail, make sure the vendors don't come put collections on us. You see this?
No. I'm on island time, don't call me. What the hell does that even mean?
I don't know, it was stuck to FV2 this morning when I got in.
Should I call him?
Yeah, call him.
This better be good. I'm on island time.
Hey, buddy, yeah, about that, where are you?
I'm in the islands, man. I'm in the Caribbean. I put it on my calendar. Why the hell are you calling me?
I didn't see the calendar. I just booked this huge collaboration with Omega Yeast. The beer's got to get brewed. We're releasing it on the 15th.
Relax, man. I got it all covered. I've got a replacement coming in. He's a little eccentric, but he and I go way back, and he can brew pretty much anything.
Wait, what? When? What? Who's coming?
He should be there today. It's just relax and don't call me.
Can I get you another drink, sir?
Yeah, bring me one more of these.
Found this on his desk. Guessing he decided he deserved a vacation and took off.
Well, this is really impressive. Definitely a bit unusual, you know, the situation and you. But Kyle has confidence in you. If you feel confident brewing the beer, you feel confident.
Kyle, hey, Kyle's my friend.
Yes, Kyle, great. Do you feel confident brewing beer?
Oh yeah, no problem. It'll be great. We'll all be friends. I'll be in America making the beers.
Okay, great. Well, so we have this, we have a really big collaboration we're doing with Omega Yeast coming up. So we need a big hoppy beer for it. Like a big hoppy beer.
Like bunny?
No, not like hoppy, like hops, like the ingredient in beer.
Yes.
Yes. So take the normal amount of hops you put in a beer and, like, you know, put 10 times as much in there.
Oh, that's a lot of hops. Oh, no problem.
Have you done that before?
I can do whatever.
Okay. Well, great. Well, let's do it then. It's been good. He seems like a nice guy. I don't actually ever see him doing anything though. Alexa, pause the music.
Oh, hey, Scoot!
Hey Sven, what's going on, buddy?
Oh, we're just brewing the beer.
Okay. I don't actually see you making the beer, so I just want to make sure you understand, and the beer has to be ready. Like,
Oh, yeah. Don't worry.
have you brewed it?
I've brewed beer before.
Okay. It's imperative that this beer is ready on February 15th.
It's a great day.
To be clear, you have brewed the beer, right?
Scoot. Everything will be okay. You go out here, you call the people, you talk to them, you have a beer. Relax. Sven has this.
But
It's okay. Sven has this. Alexa, play.
what the f is going on back there? Like, have you seen him brew anything?
Who's Finn?
Yeah.
He says it's good, right?
I mean, he says that, but all he does is sit around and f***ing whittle all day with an axe. This beer has to be ready, and I don't even know if he knows how to brew beer. Like, maybe he just hoodwinked Kyle.
You want me to go feel him out?
And yeah, I can't go back in there.
I got you. We'll get to the bottom of it.
All right.
F***ing Sven. Hey, Sven. Sven.
My friend Matthew.
A minute of your time? You got a minute?
Absolutely.
So you're around here 3 or 4 days now. How you liking Louisville?
I love it. It's a beautiful city. I love my new friends Matthew and Scoot.
Good to hear, buddy. Have you made any beer yet?
Oh yes, beer is finished. You want to try?
Yeah.
One moment. Here, try.
So this is it.
This is it. Try.
Shit, Sven, it smells great, buddy. What's in the horn?
Old family recipe. Go, try.
God damn, Sven.
I think everything's in line. We should be good to go for it. Yeah, no. Actually, tell you what, can I give you a call back here in just a second? Awesome, thank you. Hey guys,
Hey, buddy.
what's going on? I'm really glad that you were able to get everything under control back here.
Ganjet Fatul!
Great Norwegian, Matthew. I'll be right back.
15th, man. This beer's got to be ready on the 15th, and I don't even know if he's brewed it. At this point, I don't know if he knows how to brew. Oh, you brewed the beer already?
Of course, that's what I came here for. You think I just whittled wood all day?
I mean, I wasn't sure, but when did you brew the beer?
Oh, I brew at night.
He has a key?
He's been jet lagged, man. Cut him some slack. Try the beer.
I gotta ask though, what have you been whittling this whole time?
Yes, present for my friends Matt and Scoot.
Presents?
Norwegian drinking bowls for you.
Norwegian drinking bowls. Man, these are beautiful.
Oh, thank you. It's a hobby. Hey! For Norway!
For Norway!
Hey, guys! Welcome back!
Hey guys,
How's it going?
the island was amazing.
You know what's amazing? This guy. Sven is amazing. This beer is amazing.
Try the beer. You like?
Yeah, I'm just glad you guys didn't burn the place down while I was gone.
When American excellence meets Norwegian tradition, you get a beer that is absolutely out of this world. Mile Wide Beer Company, Omega Yeast, and Boy Meets Wort bring you Centauri, a Northeast, or what I'm calling a Norwegian IPA that we can't wait to share with you. Brygg Nua Fantastis.